welcome to Pop In. I'm doing another unboxing today. This time it's from Funko. They were celebrating the WB 100 years, celebrating every story. So this is from Pop Movies. I noticed that they had the Whatever Happened to Baby Jane. So it's one of my little favorite B movie, and I really enjoy it. So I wanted to get the two characters. So let me show you what I got. Here's Blanche Hudson. That was played by Joan Crawford. And there's the two figures, Blanche and Baby Jane. And I was hoping to get the chase for Blanche, but it wasn't available. It would have been the black and white version. And here's Baby Jane Hudson. It was played by Betty Davis. And of course, I went ahead and got the chase on that one, the black and white version. I really enjoy a lot of the black and white versions of some pops, so I think they're kind of cool. So, but I'm really excited about my pops. So just let me know if you liked. You can hit the notification button and don't forget to subscribe. Now, bye now.